University of South Alabama, EDM 310. I'm going to show you how to use the basics of a smartboard. The first thing is to turn it on. By using the remote, on the left-hand side on the very top, there is a green dot on the on button.
What do we do when we turn it on?
You calibrate it. In the middle where the pins are, there is two buttons. Right next to the eraser, there is a keyboard and there is also a mouse. Click both of those and wait 5 seconds and it should show up with 9 different targets. After the 9 targets have been showed, you have to click on each target in order to calibrate.
Will we work with text and objects?
Yes, we will. We will work with text, objects, and multimedia objects. Okay, this is how you calibrate it. You use the targets. There's 9 different ones, like I said. It's now calibrated. The next thing is you're going to work with text and animation. Go to the Start button, go to the program Smart Notebook 11. How to use text, the toolbar has a letter with a red underline. Click that. Use your fingers or one of the instruments provided. Drag it out, and there's your text. If you want to type something in it, you use the keyboard. That's how we calibrated it. Press that, and there's the keyboard. You can write hello. When you're done with that, click X. Click it again, and there's another one that appears. Click it again, and there's nothing there but the hello.
How do we work with objects?
With objects, you go back to the toolbar, and there's 2 different object buttons. There's one with the simple ones and one with the complicated objects. Click on one of them, click on one of them, of the objects provided, and you use your finger or use one of the tools, and you can make it as big or as small as you like.
How do we use object animation to hide and reveal feedback?
In order to do that, I'm going to show you hide or reveal. I'm going to write object, and on top of the toolbar there is an X right beside it. That's the hide and reveal. And when you want to hide part of it, go on which side, whatever the object is, and when they answer, go over to the other side, and that's hide and reveal.
How do you use the infinite cloner?
Good question. Infinite cloner, you pick one object like this, go to the angle right here, or arrow right there, all the way down, the 4th one down, it says infinite cloner, press it, and you can move it and clone it as many times as you'd like.
How do you work with digital ink?
Digital ink, you use one of these markers any color you'd like, and you can even change it to a different color that's not here. I changed it to pink, and I'm just going to write pink.
How do we save items added in ink layer to a separate file?
You go to File, File, Save As, go down here, and you get a keyboard. You can press anything, and it's saved.
How do we use multimedia objects?
Multimedia, go to the right, and there's tabs. The second one is a picture. Go to the picture, and go to 3D objects. Go to any one you want to. I'm going to go to Earth, Layers. And when you're done, press toward the screen. And you can even Spotify which area you'd like to, or you can magnetize it. what you have to do is you get one of the markers, go to the pen, go to the magic pen, it zooms in, as well as spots. You can see the outer part, just aim it at one place. There's also, you can do regular pictures, like a bag. And you can still zoom it in, and you can aim it at one place.